by Bandmaster Cadet Under Officer Yash Jain. The combined band of Sainik School Kapurthala and the combined brass band comprises 90 cadets from Sindhya School, Gwalior and Sainik School, Ghorakhal. The band is playing the tune Kadam Kadam Badhai Ja. Contingent Commander Junior Under Officer Charandeep Singh Bhaduria is leading the NCC Boys Marching Contingent. 159 young and smart senior division cadets. These are cadets from all the 17 directorates of NCC. The NCC is one of the largest youth organizations in the world. Cadets excel in humanitarian aid and sports and adventure activities. This is a familiar sight on Rajpath on Republic Day. The Birla Balika Vidyapeeth Pilani, led by Senior Under Officer Charu Surana. The school has earned its unique distinction by its continuous participation in the Republic Day Parade for 56 consecutive years. They are playing the tune Sare Jahan Se Acha.
एनसीसी की छात्राओं के बैंड के बाद एनसीसी की छात्राओं का मार्चिंग दस्ता। इस दस्ते का नेतृत्व एनसीसी निदेशालय कर्नाटक तथा गोवा की सीनियर अंडर ऑफिसर श्रीष्मा हेगड़े कर रही हैं। इस दस्ते में शामिल कैडेटों को देश के सभी 17 एनसीसी निदेशालयों से चुना गया है। ये कैडेट्स न केवल पर्वतारोहण, पैराग्लाइडिंग और रिवर राफ्टिंग जैसे रोमांचक अभियानों में भाग